Hello friends, welcome to Wednesday session, class 5th, our soils lesson point. Dear students, before that, whatever points we have discussed, let us have a quick look of it. Before that, we understood sandy, clay and alluvial soils, filtration method. Before that, types of method, how it is formed. Before that points, we have understood the amount of river, canal, lake, field, sloping field and garden. Next, we understood the biotic components and abiotic components. Before that, transparent glass in lump of soil, we have observed the particles of soil. Then humidity, water vapor present in it, activity 4. Then sewing method by different activities and the Maganbai's story. Now we are continuing from page number 83. Let us have a quick look of it. Page number 83, we have discussed capacity of the water. Let us see. Sandy, clay and alluvial soil we have discussed. Then now we came to the capacity for the water holding capacity. Capacity of the waters hold for a longer period is known as water holding capacity to soil to drain out the water. There is one activity. Look at this activity. In the given circle, fill the different colors of your choice based on the amount of components shown here. Type of soil, correct option is given below in the diagram. Sandy, clay and alluvial soil. Let us understand this diagram first. In sandy, clay and alluvial soil, we have a different types of variety. Usually in sand, stone and still part is more. Clay soil have a moisture level is high. So differentiate on the basis of this, we are dividing into the few points: moisture, air, organic residues, silt, clay, stone and sand. In this whole part, one type of soil have a sand more, one type of have a silt more and one type of soil have a clay more. That we can decide based on think and says 3 question. Which is drain fast in sandy soil, drain slow in clay soil and stored more in alluvial soil. Based on this 3 diagram is working, that I shall explain you during my the question answer session. Dear students, next we are going for our new points day and night session, and that day and night session we shall understood more for lesson number 10. There is one short homework for you. Whatever diagram I have given, please draw it and note it down in your book as a type of experiment. This I will ask you during my unit test session also and question answer session also. So what you have to do is next that I shall inform you very soon which diagrams you are doing and what activity we have to continue. Till that, I am ending here. Please complete my PDF. Thank you.